Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from Chitra Cars. This is the continuation of the previous video on parking your car in one place for more than a week, 10 days, 20 month or 6 months. So let's fasten our seat belt to continue the video. Whenever you are parking your car for more than a week, 10 days, make sure that the fuel is full, not at empty level. The reason is the fuel is standing, so slowly the sediment, whatever dust or anything available, it will settle down. If your fuel is very less and you park it with minimal fuel, so because of the time, the fuel becomes concentrated, evaporated, and the sediment will, when you start the car, the dust or the dirt which is available in the fuel can get into the injectors, and you need to take the car to the workshop to clean the injectors, etc. So make sure the fuel is almost more than a half tank. Then engine oil. Make sure whenever you are starting, after you come back, make sure the engine oil should be flushed, because it's more than 3 months or 2 months, because the engine oil becomes drained and settled down to the lower side, and the entire engine parts are not lubricated. There are always chances rusting happens inside, or there is always chances which affects the engine. So this precautions to be taken whenever you are draining whenever you are putting the oil in that, drain the oil and put fresh oil and start the car. Then dust. Whenever you are parking the car in a garage or anywhere, make sure the car is cleaned, dust well, put a cover, make sure all the precautions are taken, because if there is a small rust on the outside and you are not taken care, you put it outside because of the weather, because of the heat, there's always chances that corrosion will happen and deteriorate the quality of the car, and the paint can go off and rust can increase. Then if you're parking your car at one place and there are always chances that rats take their as home of your car, they can start dirtying your car, they can make the car smell bad, all this. So this precautions to be taken whenever you're parking your car at one place. So make sure someone is there who cleans the car, runs the car at least once in a week, at least 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers, and park. So you will not find this kind of trouble for your car whenever you are leaving the car for a week, 10 days, etc. So these are the measures and precautions to be taken while leaving your car for a week, 10 days, etc. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Thank you.